Good morning, YouTubers. I am going to put a center stand on my Tenere 700. I got a long trip planned here, a couple months, so I want to get this thing so I can oil the chain and do whatever I need to do with the center stand already on it. I know it's going to make it heavier. I may not leave it on there after I get back, but I'm going to do it for this trip. So I'm going to try to do it with all the tools in my tool bag. That way, if I need to add something to my tool bag, I'll get it on the list to put in my tool bag. So let's get started. Okay, here's what I got. I got my kickstand or my center stand, con stand. I got my tool bag. I got parts, and I got more parts. So let me get that laid out, and then we'll probably start by taking the skid plate off. Oh, all right. First thing I'm going to do here is take off the skid plate. I hope the center stand works with my skid plate. I'll just have to make it work. All right, that came off easy enough. Okay. Now we got to take off these two bolts. Oh, these two bolts right there. I'm going to cut this zip tie. Okay. Take these two out right here. Okay, we got to put these two long bolts in where we took them two out. And I think we got to get spacers on there. All right, I think we got to get these spacers on there. These spacers. I'm going to run that in a little bit further. Okay. And then that, I think, goes on there. Yeah. Oh, that hurt. I think I got to take that one out. Well, might have to go watch a video. All right, you got to get all these spacers in there at once. Then you got to start tightening things up. So this is going to take a minute. And this is just one side. So let me get these tight. We'll get that side done. And then we'll start to work on the other side. All right? Get back with you. All right, I got to put a couple nuts on here. Okay, that's all on there. Now let me move to the other side. Okay, this side was way easier. I'd take these 2 bolts out and put these 2 bolts in that bracket in. Way easier than the other side, no spacers or nothing. So next, I think I want to get stainless steel bolts though. Might replace them with stainless steel. Okay. The next part is, I guess, the kickstand. Okay. Oh, which way does the bolts go? Okay, so we go washer. Oh. Okay. I think it goes here. Pretty sure. Yep, need some grease. Old grease. Oh, I got a lot of grease. Oh my goodness, I got it everywhere. Oh, I don't like grease. Okay, all right. Oh my goodness. Right there. I got so much grease on it. I don't even know if Loctite would even help at this point. All right. Now all I gotta do is get the spring on. All right. Let me get back with you. All right. I get these springs on. See if I can. Oh yeah. There's one. That wasn't too bad. That was the easy one. That wasn't too bad. All right, let's see how it works. Okay, we just got to rock her forward to get it down. Okay, put it up. Not bad. So that's a successful project done. I'm glad to have it on there, and I may not leave it on there, but it's going to be good for my trip so I can maintain a couple things. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and as always, jamming adventures.